Christmas cookies, part 3. This time, chicken, egg whites, and salt. Welcome to my life as a carnivore. First things first, preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 176, 180 Celsius. So today we're gonna make another inspired Swiss Christmas cookie. Makrönli. What is that? It's mostly made out of egg whites. Totally carnivore. Sugar. No. We're gonna leave that out. And some kind of nut, coconuts, hazelnuts, almonds. So we gonna substitute the nuts with meat. This time chicken. I still have some dried chicken breast. I dried them myself quite a while ago, so I just took the rest that I still had left over. It's actually almost 100 grams, and I put it in my little grinder. So here you can see we got it very fine, like a chicken meal here, but here it's not so fine. And here I even took some out, and these we're gonna use for decoration. So it's gonna take a while. Just get it as fine as possible. Here I have 4 egg whites. They're actually from my other recipe, the fat bomb, where I only used egg yolks. Here. So, or maybe you already have some leftover egg whites from the freezer, thaw them out, and now we're gonna beat them. Always remember, egg whites, when you beat them, they triple the size, the volume. And we're gonna add some salt. I'm gonna use my fine Himalayan pink salt. Them very well. And how do you know if they're beaten well? That's how. Now we want to add our chicken meal. The biggest pieces I took out for decoration. And we just like fold it in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So just gently fold it in. We don't want to lose our volume from our egg whites. I usually fold in just part of it, and then I add more, and then I add the rest. parchment paper, piping bag, no problem, just use a spoon and just put some spoonfuls on the baking sheet. Yes, they won't be as easy and as pretty to pipe like regular cookies. And well, yeah, here I did it with a spoon. Here's my little turd. Looks like a turd, but at least they will be healthy. Before we put them in the oven, we have here our dried chicken pieces. I'm just gonna sprinkle some over it. The turd, get some too. See, I have some left over. I didn't even use everything, but you know what? Perfect for decoration for other cookies. I'll keep that. If you want, you can also add some more salt over it. I have here coarse salt. So I left them in for 7 minutes in the oven, but mine are also quite little. And yeah, I made a mess here, I know. So, but yeah, they look firm now. Somehow smell really good. Confession time. So all the recipes I'm filming for you and make a video out of it, it's actually my first time doing them. I just don't feel like doing them over and over again and then, oh, now it's perfect, now it's very pretty, now I can make a video. No, first try, I'll just make a video. So you'll see my little mess ups and stuff, but it's authentic, right? If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna have some steak now. And I put it in my little, whatever this is called,